Have you ever thought what it would be like if you could actually transform your mind, get a totally new mind, way of thinking, a new way of looking at things? We're going to talk about transforming your mind in this first episode and how to do that. Well, you got to flip the script. Okay, what does it mean to flip the script? You see somebody writing a script down for a movie or something, and they're writing it, well, they want Rocky to lose or something, and somebody flips the script and they have Rocky win. Well, we're going to flip the script, because if you've been thinking negative about your situation, my friends, you're on a losing battle. You just got punched out by Apollo Creed. You just got punched out by Alexander Holyfield, or George Foreman, or Sugar Ray Leonard. So we need to flip that script so that we can become winners. Okay, we need to improve our mental pugilistic skills, my friends, so that we can punch and take a punch. So how do we do that? Well, my friends, let's start with this. No matter what you're dealing with, you're going to start looking at things from a positive standpoint. So let's say, as an example, maybe you're African American and the policeman pulls you over. My friends, if the first thing that comes to your mind is that he's pulling you over because you're African American, you're losing. You got to flip the script. He's pulling me over. Well, hopefully there's nothing wrong with my car, okay, whatever. No matter what happens, you got to look at that as from a positive standpoint. If you were pulled over, maybe you're going too fast, I don't know. But regardless, my friends, of what the reason is, you're going to flip that script mentally. So let's say you get pulled over by the policeman. I'm using the police as a good example because a lot of people are dealing with police on a daily basis. Let's say the police pull you over and in fact you haven't done anything wrong. Look at that experience as a way to grow. You know why? My friends, because it's so easy, again, to be pugilistic or be combative with officers. But if you look at that situation and say, what can I learn from this? Maybe you're going to learn better communication skills when that officer approaches the car. Whatever it is, there's something positive out of that. So to flip the script, what you have to do is make a determination. And you got to start, my friends, 1 hour at a time, 1 day at a time. All right? So tomorrow, when you wake up, you're going to start tomorrow and you're going to flip the script. No matter what happens, you're going to look at everything from a positive standpoint. If you walk into work, you lost your job. My friends, there's probably a reason that you lost your job. And ultimately, it's going to benefit you because we grow from these experiences. I remember when I got fired from a job, and 2 weeks later, somebody called me and paid me more money. They said, we love who you are and what you do for the company. Well, I could have been very negative and poor me, well, you know, it's because I was African, I'm black and all this other stuff, okay? My friends, thinking negative about your situation will never get you anywhere. Don't hold on to your color. Don't hold on to your gender. Don't hold on to nothing but the Lord Jesus Christ. That's who you should hold on to. Trust the Lord with all your heart. But don't get caught up in that other stuff and start thinking positive about your situation. I don't care what happens to you. You're going to look for the good in that situation because there's always good in it. My friends, this took me a long time. Trust me. This took me a long time to learn. But once you can start seeing the good in everything that you go through, you're going to see tremendous growth in you as a person, as a man or as a woman. So I submit to you today that if you start, and let's just start tomorrow, my friends, wherever you are. If you're in Minnesota, if you're in California, if you're in Europe, or if you're in another country, I don't care if you're Chinese, I don't care if you're Hispanic, or whatever you are, you can make this mind shift today if you want to just flip the script. This is going to be a new you, and people are going to run into you, and they're going to say, wow, what happened? And you're going to tell them with a smile on your face, I flipped the script. Really? You're flipping the script. You're writing a new, okay, it's like you writing a new life movie about you. You used to get angry about things, you used to think negative about things, my friends, but you're going to flip the script. Do you know why? Because there's power in a positive mindset. Hear me when I say this. There's power in being positive. I like to call it being proactive. So you're going to be proactive about seeking to stay positive with everything that you do, my friends, and that will change your life for the rest of your life, my friends. So on that note, I hope this has served you well. I'm going to see you in part 2. All right, my friends.